In addition to the participatory activities on the Norwegian Pearl, the cruise ship has some excellent onboard entertainment. The first is the famed improvisational comedy troupe The Second City. This ensemble group performs one night each sailing and also hosts onboard workshops for children and adults. The kids' workshops focus on the important principles of improvisation such as listening to others and working as a team. Gene and Ryan Productions is in charge of the stage shows in the Stardust Theater. We saw 2 of the shows on our short cruise. The first was a high-energy show called Tubez, which featured specialty performers on bikes, skateboards, and inline skates. The music is pop and hip-hop and was a little young for my taste, but I'll bet the under 30 age group will enjoy it. We don't know how the bike and skateboard tricks will work in rough seas, but they were impressive on our cruise. The second show we had was called Sea Legs, and is a stage review featuring girls in fabulous costumes similar to what you see in Las Vegas. This show also included 2 excellent gymnasts, a man and a woman, who performed high over the stage. The third Gene and Ryan show is called Garden of the Geisha, which features martial arts, Tai Chi, and kabuki action, all woven into an oriental love story and performed to the sounds of drums. The large Spinnaker Observation Lounge also has live performances and dancing in the evening. Some nights have themed parties such as rock and roll, disco, or country and western, which sound like a lot of fun.